Okay, when you're turning the hot water on, always go real slow. Turn the hot side on first for a boiler or hot water heater, and then on the cold side, turn it on slow. If you can hear it, if it's too much, back it off again, turn it back off a little bit, and then just do it real slow. If you've had a repair done underground on like a 2-inch line or a 4-inch line, take a minimum of a half hour to turn the line back on. You want to do it nice and slow, and it's a little easier with a gate valve, even though gate valves often break. With a ball valve, you gotta kind of use your ear, listen for it, track it, let it go, and then come back to it after a little while. You just don't want a huge volume of water filling up, you just use your ear. And the reason you're turning the hot water on first, if you're turning the water off, you're going to turn the cold water off first to take off the pressure off the valve, and then you're going to open hot water. And then it's in reverse when you're turning it back on. You're going to open the hot water first while it has no pressure on the valve. It's got like a little cup, and if it's hot, taking that pressure can cause it to deform much easier. So opening that line first and then cracking the cold valve. You can hear we have no more sound, so I can continue to increase it. And little by little, and let it go for a while and come back and open it again. So just come back to it and listen for it. And now I'm all set there. And don't forget to turn your boiler back on.